Hi, SaaS Reviews and Interviews family. We are here with yet another interview with one of the founders of a very, very recently launched hot and happening tool, which you can use to go live on Facebook for. So stay tuned and we will invite Madhav in a while. Hello, everybody. Welcome to SaaS Reviews and Interviews. And today we have yet another founder. He's a founder of Mintware, lots of Mintware products. And I have personally used lots of Mintware products too, and I found them really excellent. And I mostly use the HQ webinar, Meet Zippy, and there are more. So we'll welcome Madhav to talk about his current launch of one of the greatest product that he has created. And we'll learn more how we can use it on a day-to-day basis. Over to you, Madhav.
Hello, thank you, Prashant, for having me in this interview. Actually, so me and Dr. Samir, we are partners. We are co-founders of Mintware. So Mintware, actually, we have 6 and 7 products in the suite, the whole suite. We have just launched Zextra this year, and just in the lockdown. So this idea of Zextra came to my mind, and we discussed, and we just developed during the lockdown, and we launched it, and we've generated more than I think $200,000 launches so far. So it is going great. People are really loving Zextra, and this is our 4th product release on Zextra, and we call this product Livenar. So Livenar actually is a live streaming platform. So you can actually use it to go live on Facebook, on timelines, multiple pages and multiple groups at the same time. Yeah.
Wow, that's nice. So we'd like to hear more about the product. Livenar sounds interesting, exciting. So we'll learn more about that. In the meanwhile, if you could also tell us a little bit about your team size, Madhav, that would be great.
We have a small team here, actually. We have a team in India, Noida, New Delhi. We have a small team in Germany and the US. So right now we are 16 plus people, right? We have a team of developers, user experience team, user interface designers, front-end developers, and testers. We have a team of in-house marketers. So yeah, this is a small team, actually, I would say. But yeah, we believe in making good products, and we always focus on delivering values. So that's what we've been doing from last 1.5 years, or maybe 2 years, I would say.
Awesome. So it looks like yes. Sorry,
we founded this company in 2018, and we released our first product in the mid of 2018. We called XFunnels, and after XFunnels, we released a couple of more good products. We released a couple of good updates, and we are still working on all those products. We are making our products even better and better every day. So there's an ongoing process. You are also in the software as a service industry, so this is an ongoing process. It is never-ending process. We will keep working on the products to make them better.
Absolutely, as they call it, continuous improvement, Kaizen in Japanese.
Yeah, you are a Six Sigma guy now, so you understand the process.
Yeah, absolutely. So great to know that the team may be lean, but what they are doing is a fantastic job, and you have a good spread out across different geographical locations also. So that's awesome. Excellent. So what is a little bit of curiosity in my mind is, how did you come up with this concept, this idea of creating these products, this suite? And you started 2018, so very recently. So how did this idea come up in your mind that we should create something like this?
Initially, when I came to, I used to run a service company. So we used to develop softwares and mobile applications for other companies. So we had a big team, 120, 125 plus people until 2017. And I sold this company in 2017 and moved to the internet marketing industry. And like I tried to figure out how this whole industry actually works. So then I've realized being a programmer, you understand the like gaps. You understand the market and you see the gaps, and uh, like suddenly you realize that you can do something better. You can make you can add more values in the same domain. So initially I wanted to have a funnel. So I've realized that there is a one man company which is selling funnel building software, which is very old school. And that software they are selling at a very expensive $299 a month price. So I thought it is better to deliver something at a cheaper price, because like making a website, it shouldn't be that expensive. So because what is funnel? Funnel is just another kind of it's a collection of multiple pages. And like a funnel is not being built by a software. Funnel is being built by a man, like the brain behind the whole concept of funnel. So it is not very important to have such expensive softwares to make a funnel. That day I've decided to make a software to like design this funnel builder. And we did it, and we released this X funnels, and generated I think more than $1 million in the launch. So it was a good idea. Then I just keep adding, like what other tools are required to be a marketer. So like when I started doing internet marketing, I keep adding those products. So that's how we created the whole suite. And now we have realized that like there are good products in the market. uh, People are actually launching on some other several platforms. And lifetime deals is a big market. It is going to be big actually, because companies are charging too much. Like every month, people are paying every month for uh, my partner, he buys, he has this kind of what they call it, shiny object syndrome. So he always believes in buying products. And he if you open his account, like AppSumo account or other accounts, you will find hundreds of products he purchased in the past. So yeah, people are using like hundreds of products, and they are paying monthly for that. So we decided to deliver best quality products at the one time price, and slowly we can make them sustainable. Slowly we can provide them at a very low cost, like subscription model, or we can have in-app purchase later. But right now we are just focusing on like adding more value in the products.
Excellent, Madhav. I see that you're positioning your products and your company very strategically. Just like, initially in the mobile phone market, we had Apple and we had Samsung, and then we had very low-end phones, and there was nothing in the middle. Then Xiaomi came in and Redmi phones were launched, and then they kind of captured the whole market. So I see that, your positioning is where you can also capture that kind of market where, currently people are not focused. There is either extremes at both ends, but yours is somewhere in the middle where majority of buyers or majority of clients are in. So great, excellent strategy. I believe, Madhav, that's awesome. So I'm sure when you were coming up with this idea, when you were putting this in place, and people have $1 million ideas and they just don't know how to implement. So I'm sure you have, you and your team would have come across lots of challenges as well during the development, during getting it implemented. So how did you kind of overcome those challenges?
It's a teamwork, actually, I would say. And making a software, and like serving it to your audience, and where you have a very uh, vast audience. Like somebody is from some health domain, somebody is from education domain, somebody is from some other like marketing domain. And everybody has its different kind of requirements, and they're asking you thousands of things to implement. They are, like, you believe me or not, but I'm getting hundreds of apps requests to integrate in our app store every day. So can you add this, can you add this, can you add that? So we have added Zapier, and people are using Zapier, but still they are asking for more and more and more, and we are trying our best to like keep adding those stuff and whatever they're asking. So if we can help them anyways, that's what we've been doing, right? That was the whole vision of like making this company, starting this whole venture. So when I started Mintware initially, then Samir joined me in this journey. My vision was like, okay, I just want to help people. I just want to start this company to help people like me, because right now I'm an engineer, I'm a programmer, I write softwares, I write code, and I'm facing this kind of challenges, this kind of difficulty. Believe me or not, that time, um, when I started, there was only one or two products for webinars, and they used to charge like $499 a month. You know, you go to webinar or all those products for $500 a month, which is like $6,000 a year. It's like, this is very expensive for me, a person who is sitting here in New Delhi, India. $6,000 is like too much money. It's like like a normal person's whole salary package. So yeah, I thought, okay, this
Yeah.
is, I mean, this is too expensive. I think we should do something. There's a gap in the market, and being a technical person, I decided to work on those products. So yeah, we had some initial challenges, we had some bugs, we had some issues. Then we keep fixing. We are still adding features. We're still fixing bugs, and this is ongoing job. When you add feature, you will get more like updates, and you'll keep adding those things. You'll keep making it better. People criticize you sometime, but when they are criticizing you, it means you're on the right path. So that's what I believe in.
Great, excellent. I think that's a great mindset.
Yeah.
Because only then things can take shape. Otherwise, they just remain at the idea phase. Excellent. So I have used some of your products already. I know they are easy to use, very user friendly. How is Livenar, and would you like us to have a look at the walkthrough of the tool?
Of course, I can. Livenar is a kind of a platform where you can go live on Facebook. So I'll just give you a demo. Let me just share my screen, okay? So this is a login page where you can just use your login credentials to log in. And when you're logged in, you will see this beautiful dashboard. And on this dashboard, you can start creating your like events. So before just like moving forward, I'll just give you a walkthrough. You have all these navigation bar, navigation options in the left side bar. You have this Facebook Lives, you have social accounts, you have plugins, you have archives, you have app integrations, and then support. Okay, and then when you click on this, you have account settings, plugin settings, app integrations, tutorials, and all these things. So when you are new on this platform, you have to connect your Facebook account. So I have connected my account already. It is simple to use. So if I'll just remove it, and if I'll click on continue with Facebook, if you are already logged in, and if you have already given the permission to Facebook of Livenar app, it won't ask you anything. It will connect your account automatically. But if you're using it first time, and you never share the permission with Facebook, it will ask you to give the permission. And once you are done with the permission things, your account will be added here. And next thing is plugin settings. You can connect your SMTP here. You can connect your Twilio account. You can add your WhatsApp number, because Livenar, the whole idea of Livenar is when I have more than 7,000 people like in my group, and on that group, when I do Facebook Live, I get 100 views, 200 views. That's the maximum, right? And I thought, why are we not getting views? Because people are not being notified, and the notification is the major issue, right? So what if we can like create a notification system, a third party notification system, which can actually notify which can provide a registration page to the interested people, interested users, and the whole system can notify them on WhatsApp, on SMS, or on email that this live event is going to be started in 5 minutes, in 10 minutes, so you can just come and join. the live event. And when user click on the link, user will be redirected to the Facebook live, not on the some webinar or something, but on the Facebook live, because that is easy to use. That is easy to use on any platform, on like anywhere, right? You don't have to log in on any third-party application, because that is Facebook, which is available in all mobile phone and all devices. So you can add your own WhatsApp number, so your users will be notified on the WhatsApp. You can have a Twilio account, so people will be notified by like using your number via SMSs. So these are the archives. You can, or you whatever you have created, all your past events will be displayed here in the archives, or all your upcoming events will be displayed in the lives, which is the first link here on the top. And the next is app integrations. We have already provided more than 13, 14, actually, I would say, autoresponders, which includes MailChimp, GetResponse, Benchmark, Musand, MailerLite. We have recently added Sandbox. We have added Ontraport, Aweber, ConvertKit. All these, like Sandio, all these beautiful, amazing autoresponders we have added. So you can actually connect all these autoresponders to generate leads using your Facebook Live. And I'll show you how it works, because that will, that will be easier to explain. So let's say this is the Facebook Live. I just want to go live on my group somewhere. If you click on this, it will fetch the list of your groups. So you can choose a group. Let's say this group. This is a dummy group which I've already created. You can create a live demo to Prashant, and you can go live right now instantly. You don't have to wait. But this is something else. But the benefit of the whole product when you schedule it, because if you are going to schedule, it is going to provide you the registration page. It will provide you the proper, like the leads and everything. So let's say if you are going to, I click on SMSs and I'm going to schedule it for, let's say 38, okay, and I click on create. So I've scheduled a Facebook Live after 10 minutes from now onwards, because Facebook allows minimum 10 minutes and maximum seven days, not more than that, and not less than 10 minutes. So you can't schedule a live event or live Facebook Live for 2 minutes or 5 minutes, but you have to wait for at least minimum 10 minutes. That's the minimum requirement from the Facebook APIs. And then after you're done with the like this create thing, you can have the event description. You can change the slug, and this is the URL actually which is being used for your registration page. So you have this registration page ready here. Your event is going to be started in 10 minutes. You can have GDPR things which we have recently added. So you come here on the registration page settings. You can change logo. You can have the header text and everything. You can see the mobile preview here, and you can see the full preview of this page here. Okay, when you click on exit, you can change the colors and everything. And this is the GDPR setting on the registration page. So in European countries, you have to have the GDPR compliant. So it is when you click on this, you can change your regulations and policies as per your country's regulations. We have just kept it open for you, so you can customize all the GDPR policies here. And you click on save now. This will be this button will be added on your page here. So I'll just click on refresh, and you see I agree to the terms and conditions. When you click on the terms and conditions, this is the page which you have just created on the that link, and user has to click on I agree to move further, right? So that's how this is GDPR compliant, and you can change everything on this page. You can have everything in your own language, because we have just provided everything, all the registration page and thank you page. You can customize it in your own language. Let's say this is English, and you can type in your own Korean language or Russian language or Japanese or German or any other language, and the page will be changed to that particular language. You can have the reminders. You can customize these reminders. You can customize emails. You can customize the SMSs here. The same message will be sent to the WhatsApp and or SMS. Okay, so these are the autoresponders we have connected. So you have to connect your autoresponder. I have not connected any yet. So you can click on connect autoresponders and you'll be redirected to this page. And you can connect your autoresponder and it will fetch all the list from that autoresponder which you have created, and it will start adding the particular data from this registration page to that, like autoresponder list automatically. So that's how you are generating actually leads. And when you are actually creating a Facebook live, let me just, how can I remove it? Can I shift it somewhere?
You want to change, create
No,
another
I just
page?
want to go. I'm getting this. Okay, these buttons on the top. Anyways, so when you are going to, okay, here we go. So when you're going to, when you create something on the on a page, a group, or a timeline, you see one event must have been created. So let's say this is my page, Madhav page. This is a group. And you see, register to get notified, live demo to Prashant. It has been already scheduled on the Facebook. So people can ask the reminders from this button as well. Plus, they can register on this page, so they'll be notified on, on WhatsApp, SMSs, email. Plus, you are getting leads on your autoresponder using the Facebook Live. You can do these lives via pre-recorded videos. You can do these lives by going live, and we have added kind of app integration. So this is an app which you can use to go live using Livenar. I'll show you the demo of that as well. So let's say if you are going to register, I just register myself, Madhav, and my email is this, let's say, and let's say this is the number I want to use, and I just registered this. Okay, so once I'm done, okay, you have successfully registered, and your event will be started in 5 minutes, and it will fetch the calendar list, so you can add this event in your calendar, and you can click on go to Livenar. So when you are here on this page, it will be redirected to that Facebook live, actually this live which is going to be happen. But in the meantime, you are a host, so you can click on the Facebook lives, and you will see the very recent live should be on the top, and you can click on go to live, and when you click on this link, you'll be redirected to this beautiful Livenar studio, and on this studio you can minimize the timeline here. That's up to you, and you can maximize it. Right, you can share your screen from here. You can click on mute. You can invite guests. You can change the layout. So I'll show you all these features here in this section. You will see all the comments from the group. You can add captions here. So let's say I click on this button, add. My camera has been added here, and I'm going to click on branding, so I can upload my own logo. I'm going to use this logo, which is here, Mintware. I can have the overlay effect. So we have a couple of beautifully designed overlays. So let's say I click on this, and this overlay effect has been added on this page. Right, I can change it to this as well, like this, or maybe this, or maybe this. So it's up to you. If you want to add some overlay, you can have all these overlay effects to add. And this is my personal favorite, which I personally like. So you can click on the captions and you can add your name. Let's say this is my name, so I want to add this here. You can have the crawler. So let's say if you come here on any other page, registration page, let's say, and copy this information. It's a dummy text. You can add to the crawler, and you can click on the crawler. So crawler will be started here, which is going live in next 3 minutes on Facebook. So this is what you can schedule. Just before going live, you can do everything here on this page, and as soon as this countdown timer goes, less than 1 minute, and within a minute you will go live, and you will go live with all these beautiful things. You can change the primary color of this as well. So let's say if you want to have the like this white, and the text should be, let's say, this purple, and you can have this. So you can change its colors. You can have your own colors, some like your own branding. And this is the basic layout you can go live with. If you don't want to use some uh, overlay, let's say I'm just going to remove the overlay, and I'm going to share my screen. Okay, so let's say I'm going to share this screen, and I'm going to add it here. So now you can see this is my window and this is my screen, and now I can change the backgrounds. So you come here on this and you click on the background. So you have beautiful backgrounds. You can use any background from this, like this, or maybe like this. I like this personally. These are the light colors. So yeah, this is the thing, and you can change the layout. Like right now you have this layout, and you can change this to this, or you can change this to this, right? You can have the picture in picture. Even you can revert it, so your picture will be in the smaller window, and you can change it to this. So it's easy to use. Anybody can do it. It doesn't need a kind of technicality or some technical knowledge to use it. It's very like your granny and my granny can use it. So it's like that. Then we have a video option. I'm sorry, I'm taking so much time, but I just want to show you all the features of Livenar. Is it okay, Prashant?
Yeah, yeah, absolutely. In fact, I'm sure the audience is glued in, so they would love to know more.
Yeah. So this is what you can do here. I think we are already live on the Facebook. I'll just see here. Yes. I'll just refresh my page on Facebook. We are going live in 30 seconds. You see?
Yeah.
On the Facebook. I really want to wait for 20 seconds so we can show how this live. Okay, this is the video feature actually where you can add videos during your Facebook live. I'll show you that feature as well. But you see, Livenar has not started. Please wait. And when Facebook Live is start, people will be redirected to this. And I'll just wait for a few more seconds, and you see we will be live. This video is live now. You see this? I'm going to mute myself. This is the live video on Facebook. Me is live on this group, and you see we are live on this page, and users will be redirected on from this page to the another page in next few seconds. So that's how it works. And when I'm already on this page, it will show you the message that it has not started or something. When you are not on the Facebook on the same live, it will be redirected to the live. So that's how it works. And if I'll just change my things on the real time, like I'm going to remove my screen share, or I'm going to change my branding, like I'm going to have the overlay from this to. First of all, I'm going to remove the background, and then I'll just place the overlay like this, and we'll see it will be changed. Just a moment, let me just show you here. So you see it's changed. You can change it on the real time, and right now it is a 720p, and you can have 1080 as well. So that's up to you.
Nice.
What kind of quality you want to use. You can, and it is actually, it changes automatically as per your licensing. So if let's say if you have already purchased 5 codes, it would be 1080 quality, and we are giving 720p with the 3 codes and the 4 codes. So that changes automatically, and like if you want to add like your screen share or anything, you can do that. You can change the logo on the like ongoing live, ongoing streaming. You can change anything on the real time. You can even change the text or the caption or anything. So let's say you can change it to Prashant, sorry, Prashant from Madhav. That's up to you. Okay. And if you want to just play the video, so you can actually remove the branding, and you can change, remove title, you can remove crawler. And if you are here on this page, I'll show you the comment section. So you say, hey, it is looking nice. Okay, so let's say this is the comment which you can see here on this. Hey, it is looking nice. And when you want to show this like comment on the screen, you can click on this and you can show this tag, this like comment from the user on your live Facebook. Like this comment actually sent by some user a few seconds ago, and which is being displayed on this screen. Hey, it is looking nice here. So that's how you can actually manage all the comments and everything in the real time. And I'm just going to show you the screen share and the video feature. Then I'll show you the invite feature. Let's say I'm just going to hide this overlay, and then I'm going to stop showing this. Okay, so I'm going to add a video here. I think this video should work. Let me just check. I'll just test it. Yes. No, this is the old video which I already deleted. I think I'll upload a new video. Just a moment. .4 MB, which is good. It won't take much time to upload. Okay, perfect. When it is done,
Pretty fast. Yeah.
You can click on this. You can remove it and you can add it here. It is being like displayed here on the Facebook. So you can see it is just showing on the Facebook. So you can remove it. You can add your own video again here. So that's how it works. You can do multiple things. We have a couple of more features which are already in the pipeline. We are still working on some amazing feature, like you can go live on YouTube. You can go live on Facebook with the podcast, with just audio. You can have the visual podcast. So we are going to make these features live in this coming week, and these features will be available to the existing users and all the new users.
Great, excellent, Madhav. I think it is a very good tool. If I were to go live on Facebook, I don't have so much of flexibility, to show a video at the same time, invite people to the studio and so on. Excellent. And I mean, I'm really impressed with this, and I'm sure I'm going to get one for myself personally.
Thank you, man. I really appreciate Prashant. Thanks for your kind words. Yeah.
Absolutely. Great, excellent. So I love this tool. And Madhav, usually for our community, we give a free code or a free tool completely. So would you like to give a giveaway for this particular community?
Why not? Why not, Prashant? I mean, you give me a chance to, give this awesome presentation of our amazing product to your community. So definitely we can do this in whatever you suggest. I'm completely fine.
Awesome. So if you can give us a lifetime deal for one winner, and the criteria for the for somebody to win this is put your use case or what will you use Livenar for. Put that in the comments, and also share this link of this particular video with as many people as you can. In fact, we will start a giveaway very soon. We'll give you a giveaway link, and with that you can make as many points as you can. So for the winner, Madhav, if we can give a lifetime deal, I think that will be fabulous.
Awesome. Let's do it. Let's do
Great,
it.
excellent. So there you go, community. So SaaS reviews and interviews community. I'm sure you can make the most of this. And we are not done with the discussion yet. So we'll just go ahead with a few more things and understand more from Madhav. So Madhav, what would you say the USP of your product or company is? Because I see that there is a lot that you're offering in this particular tool itself.
Yeah.
What do you think we should look at as a USP?
Our USPs are actually basically, as I told you, the major problem, the major gap is getting more people on a live. Let's say how many I would ask you a question, how many users you have in your Facebook group? Let's say 1,000 users. Okay, you don't have to tell me the exact number, but let's say 1,000 users. And when you're doing a Facebook live, you will get just 30 users on a live, 20 users on a live. Sometimes it's just less than 10, because people are not aware of it. They don't know when is it going to happen. And Facebook's notification system, it really sucks. So we have actually decided to develop this awesome notification system and amazing communication channel between you and your users. And when you're going to do this Facebook live, and that's why we call it Livenar, because this is kind of a webinar over your Facebook live. So that is the major USP first. Second thing, we have a plugin section. So it opens all the verticals. It opens all the gateways of opportunities, I would say, because we are going to keep adding those plugins. Let's say Facebook, right now this is a Facebook, and it can be YouTube, it can be Periscope, Instagram, LinkedIn in the future. That's what we are, that's how we work actually. We always believe in adding and giving more values and more, features in the future. So this time we have just created a plugin system. So we will keep adding these plugins and we'll keep providing to the users. So this is the second thing. And third thing, which is really important, is that this product is coming at a very cheap live one-time price. So you can just invest some money and you can keep using it for the lifetime. And we are not running anywhere. We've been here from years, and we are going to be here for the years. And we'll keep serving this community, because I really love these people, because when I started my career of internet marketing, these are the people who actually gave me the ideas or the feedbacks or the suggestions and everything. So I really love these guys.
Excellent, Madhav. And I think, you hit the nail on the head, and also you hit the next question, because I was about to ask you about the roadmap, and you said there are so many plugins coming in.
Yeah.
And it will just become so much easier to have one platform to connect to so many platforms.
Yeah.
Great. What else do you have on the roadmap, Madhav?
This is the first thing. Second thing is we are going to integrate this Livenar product to all our products. So let's say if you are using CodeZippy Live, or if you're using MeetZippy, or if you're using our flagship product HP Webinar, and you can, if you are owner of Livenar, you can integrate this Livenar plugin with all other products, and you can go live on Facebook while doing your webinar. So that is the next big thing which we're going to do, and we're going to integrate with the HP Webinar and all these other products.
Excellent. And what kind of support can people expect?
We have a very, I'm sorry for the interruption, because this is very touching question. So we have a very integrated, very dedicated support team. We have created our, the ticketing system and everything in place. So you can come to support.mintware.io, or you can raise an email to support@mintware.ventures, and you'll get a reply within 24 hours, sometimes 48 hours. It takes time, because when we are in the launch phase, we get too many tickets and it takes time sometimes, but you will get a reply for sure, and your issues will be resolved, because we have a dedicated Facebook group. So you can tag me anytime, anywhere on any comment, right? And I read all the comments, whichever I'm tagged in, and I go and I reply always. So definitely support is awesome. You're gonna love this product. I just gave you a demo. Did you find any glitch during the whole process? I mean, I'm sure you couldn't, uh, it was seamless. So this is a good product, actually, I would say.
Excellent. So I think SaaS itself is software as a service. So
Yeah.
understanding that you have a strong support mechanism, I'm sure it is an excellent thing we can invest in. So awesome. Any expansion plans beyond what you have mentioned? Any other vision that you want to share with the community?
Right now, we are focusing on actually two things. One is Mintware Suite, the existing products of Mintware, which is being managed by and I would say polished by Dr. Samir Joshi itself. He himself doing it very passionately because he's talking to the customers and he's talking to the users. He's collecting all the ideas and everything, and then he's working very closely with the development team and getting everything implemented and releasing all the updates on the Facebook group. And people are getting updates every day almost, like in the existing products. But our idea is to release the more robust and stable version of Mintware Suite once again. That's our idea, and that's what we've been working from a couple of months. And the next big thing we are I'm personally focused on Zextra. So my idea is to just get more amazing deals and good products on this platform, so people can actually just go and buy, or our affiliates can be can take benefit of the whole system. So if you are a new person or you are a new user and you don't know about affiliate marketing, so you can join Zextra, because this is a good time to join such a platform, because it is going to be huge in future for sure. And when it is big, right, and you are working with Zextra, you'll be big for sure, because you can learn affiliate marketing during this whole journey. You can be a premium affiliates on Zextra, and you can make a lot of money, because we are offering up to 50% commission on Zextra. So that's how it works. That's the plan.
Excellent. And I'm sure Mintware and the products that you are coming up with are the history in the making. So I'm sure they will make history, and people are going to love. Yeah, it was excellent having you, Madhav, in the studio, and thank you very much for your dedication and the time that you have put in, the effort.
Thank you so much, Prashant.
Yes, thank you. So thanks, folks, and thanks to the community for watching this video. So we will be back with more interviews and reviews. So stay tuned.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, everyone. Bye-bye.
Bye for now.